So today we're going to show you how to upload products to your eShop, which is the shop software that we use for our Joomla websites. So in the back end of your website, we type in our username and password. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using our client R&J Equine. Click Login. And then at the top here, you'll see the eShop comes under Components. So you go to Components, down to eShop. Now in here you have an array of drop downs that you can use, but for just adding a product or removing a product, this is what we're going to focus on today. So you go to the catalogue and you go down to Products, click on New, and give your product a name. So we're going to call it Test. Don't have to worry about page titles, all that sort of thing. You can put in a short description and then a longer description. Gives your clients a bit of information about your product. It also prevents them from basically emailing you or phoning you with questions regarding the product. So as much information you can put in there, the better. That will save you time. So then the next area we need to go to is data. Up here it asks you for an SKU code. You have to put this in, it's mandatory, but it's like a barcode. So anything that's relevant to your shop. So for the purposes, I'm going to put this product into Forces Equine. So I'm going to start my SKU code with FE, and then we'll do test 1 for argument's sake. Now, if you've got manufacturers of your product, because people will search on the web for certain manufacturers or painters, artists, people that make bespoke jewellery, that sort of thing. If you have these names in here, you can pop them in. For the purpose of this, I'm going to choose Forces Equine. Now you have the option to choose an image. So I go down to the Choose File and I go and find where my images are going to be. I'm going to use the R&J Equine logo. I just click on that and that uploads. I then need to choose a category that it's going to go into. Now you can see that everything on this website is broken down into sections. So you've got jewellery and then broken down again. The same with Forces Equine, we've got official leisure wear, official competition wear, riding wear for your horse. So I'm going to put this in official leisure wear. Then I need to give my product a price. So I'm going to pop in £20. And the only other thing you need to do on this page, so actually your product works and it says that it's in stock, is go down to the quantity area. That's that piece here. In here, you need to put down the quantity of the number of stock you've got. So if it's a limited edition, maybe just pop in 2. If you've got lots and lots of an item, obviously you can put in your whole product amount. So for here, I'm going to pop in 1,000. Now these other tabs up here, attributes, options, discounts, special, images, you don't have to really worry about any of those, but images is quite good. So if you've got some other images of your item, you can go in here and add lots and lots of different images. So your clients have got maybe a 360, or they can see what something looks like inside or out or from the back, anything like that. So as I'm happy with that at the moment, I just go to Save and Close. So if I go to the front end of our website and give it a refresh, you can see that my test item has appeared in New Arrival. I can click on the item from there and you'll see that the brand is Forces Equine, the price is £20. How many would I like? They can add and increase the quantity. The short description of the item. So if I hit Add to Cart, you've added it. Do I want to continue shopping or checkout? Checkout. And then it takes me through to the checkout area. The other place people can search for a new product is if I go to Forces Equine and Products. All our products are listed down here. Or I can go into certain areas and look for it. Now, I remember it was in leisure wear. So if I go to leisure wear, you'll see my test item is here. You can click on it, go through, buy the item. Going back to the back end of the website, if I wanted to remove that item now and say I've got so many items on here, I want to sort of reduce the search. So I go into my official leisure wear, go and look for test, which is here. Now I've got one of 2 ways. If the item is just out of stock for the time being, I want to remove it from the website but not delete it totally because I'm going to be reselling it in the future, I can just click the Unpublished button, which is the little green cross. Green tick. That then turns that into a red cross. If I go back to the front end of my website and refresh it, you'll see my item is no longer there. So it's done that. If I go back to the back end, if I am never going to sell this item again, it's finished, discontinued, or I'm just not going to sell it anymore because it's not been popular, I can pop a tick in the box next to the item and go to the top of the screen and hit delete. You can see the item has disappeared. So that's everything you need to know with regards to updating your eShop. Just remember that if you finish doing stuff on your shop, just go up to the top right and click log out, and then your site is secure.